This is Cassandra from Passport and Soul. Today, I'm going to tell you about one of our favorite afternoon tea experiences in London. At Passport and Soul, we help travelers of color learn how to travel soulfully and with ease. During one of our many trips to London, we have had many an afternoon tea because it's one of my obsessions. But hands down, the best afternoon tea that we've experienced in London was at the Shard, my absolute favorite. It had everything. Delicious food, check. Great atmosphere, check. An excuse to dress up a little, check. Theatricality, check. And in our case, great company, check. Connection to our childhood, check. Craig and I went there to celebrate our 25th wedding anniversary and brought one of my brother-in-laws along for the ride. Specifically, we had the Peter Pan tea. Yes, you heard that right, Peter Pan. This afternoon tea was inspired by the novel written by James Matthew Barrie in 1911. So let's start with the atmosphere. The Shard is stunning. It's a 73-story building with sweeping views of London. You're greeted right away and shown to your table. There's a beautiful bar located in the middle of the room. And for someone like me who likes sparkles, glitter, and all the shiny things, there are mirrors and windows abound. It helped us to feel happy, comfortable, and got us into the spirit of the occasion. The Peter Pan afternoon tea takes place in the Aqua Shard restaurant located on the 31st level of the building. If you're a party of one or two, you'll more than likely be seated at one of the tables right by the windows. As I said, the views were spectacular. We were able to spot the London Bridge, among other things. Now, once you're seated, then the magic begins. The menu looks like a treasure map, and the food is wheeled out on a trolley that's reminiscent of a ship in nod to Captain Hook. There are plenty of menu styles to choose from, depending on the needs of your party. There's the classic menu, then there's also a vegetarian menu, a vegan menu, and even a pescatarian version as well. Once the food arrives, the server pours liquid over the dry ice hidden in the ship's cargo area to really bring the vision to life. Check it out. Oh, it's beautiful. Yes. It was absolutely beautiful. But OMG, the food. Let's talk about that. It is delish. As with most afternoon teas, you'll find a combo of sweets and savories, from their version of pigs in a blanket to fried cod, roasted chicken sandwiches, egg salad sandwiches, and of course there's scones, because what afternoon tea would be complete without scones? They came in a box that kind of looked like a private treasure box, and they were soft and fluffy, and they were the perfect base for the clotted cream and the preserves. There were also plenty of sweet treats like a Victorian cake covered in coconut, chocolate mousse, all the way to a gummy alligator. It was really tasty. All of the food was fresh and well seasoned. The sage came through perfectly in the sausage roll. The coconut tasted like it was picked fresh from a tree. The raspberry preserves tasted like fresh berries, and the portions were generous, and everything fit in perfectly with the theme. And don't forget to ask for seconds if there's something that you really like. Check out this short video of our experience. In addition to the food, of course, there are a variety of teas, and you can even add some bubbly as well. There's a full bar, so you can order drinks off of the menu if you would like. The service was impeccable from beginning to end and is exactly what you would expect from any high-end restaurant. Our server was attentive without being hovering and also was easy to reach if you needed something. The Peter Pan brunch is available every day from approximately 12 p.m. until 3 p.m. Now keep in mind that the menu changes often, so what we had might not be available when you go. Now that's the one downside. I understand that they want to keep things lively and exciting, but if you fall in love with a particular dish, there may be a chance that it's not there when you go again. It's best to make a reservation rather than trying to walk in. It was a delightful experience, and I would wholeheartedly recommend the Peter Pan afternoon tea to anyone who's looking to have a fabulous experience in London. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed this review of the Peter Pan afternoon tea at the Shard, and until we meet again.